Good evening. Today is December 1st and the entire world is observing World AIDS Day. Regarding that, we are going to have a look at this. Apart from this, various companies throughout the world they are trying their best with respect to manufacturing the vaccine against COVID-19. All this information let's try to understand and we'll also discuss regarding some important issue with respect to tigers. I'll be opening the document and kindly have a look at this. Look at this. The first one is the Serum Institute of India is located in. Very important one. And the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, visited this institution very recently. And of course, he also visited an institution in Hyderabad. And this is the Serum Institute of India is located in Kolkata, Mumbai, Bengaluru or Pune. Please make a note. Answer is Pune. Kindly remember here, what are these institutions? Where are they located? When they are established? Why they are there in the news? All these are important for our examination. Right? Look at this. Serum Institute of India is a manufacturer of immunobiological drugs, including vaccines in the city of Pune. It was founded by Cyrus Poonawalla in the year 1966. Kindly remember when it was founded, who founded this, and where is it located. Every point is important. Alright? And this is the manufacturer of the immunobiological drugs, including vaccines. Okay? It is founded by Cyrus Poonawalla in the year 1966. And it is there in the news because the Prime Minister visited Serum Institute on November 27th, 2020 to understand the process of vaccine production and distribution. And the Prime Minister visited and Serum Institute has an agreement with AstraZeneca to manufacture the Oxford University vaccine. Every point is very much there in the news. Entire world is eagerly looking at the suitable vaccine at reasonable prices. And the entire world is also looking at India very closely. They know because India is considered to be world vaccine manufacturing hub. Without the support of India providing vaccine against COVID-19 for all the people in the world would be very difficult task. That is the reason why India is being absorbed by various countries now. Right? And this institute, the so-called Serum Institute, has an agreement with AstraZeneca to manufacture Oxford University vaccine. Another very important one, which is again there in the news. Of course, whenever I say tiger state, obviously it is a Madhya Pradesh that will come to our mind. And now, again it is there in the news. Which of the following state is called tiger state? Rajasthan, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh or Madhya Pradesh? Answer is option D, that is Madhya Pradesh. In the last decade, there was a death of, so many tigers in Madhya Pradesh. But even then, Madhya Pradesh is a topping as far as the tiger population is concerned. Hence, it is considered to be tiger state. Please remember, and it is Madhya Pradesh. Next one. Look at this. World AIDS Day is observed on December 1st every year. And look at this very important one. These things you must remember. The theme of the World AIDS Day to be observed on December 1st is, what is the theme here? Ending the HIV AIDS epidemic, resilience and impact. This is the theme of the World AIDS Day, which is observed on December 1st, 2020. And what is the status here? Experts treating HIV AIDS are worried that COVID-19 pandemic has delayed the WHO's target to improve the life of people living with HIV. Look at this. Here you can see PLHIV. PL stands for people living. People living with HIV, it is called PLHIV. So obviously the impact of COVID-19 we have already experienced, and it also delayed the process of the World Health Organization with respect to the HIV, and the target date to ensure that 90% of the PLHIV are reached by 2020 has been delayed. And the aim of World Health Organization, to which India is a signatory, was to ensure 90% of PLHIV know their status, and 90% of them are on life-saving antiretroviral therapy. Kindly remember, in the examination they may ask you what is ART, right? Where is it used? It stands for antiretroviral therapy. And the 90% of those on ART virally suppressed before the end of the 2020. And the aim is by the year 2030, it aimed to make accessible ART. Kindly remember, what is ART? Just now I told you, antiretroviral therapy, to every PLHIV, which in turn reduces the viral load in the blood to undetectable levels. This is the target, and this will result in making negligible their risk of transmitting HIV. If this is really done, then automatically the number of HIV cases will be reduced very drastically, and the World Health Organization is working towards that, and entire world is waiting for the same. Fine. And kindly see here, most of you are preparing for various examinations like IAS 2021 or Group 1, Group 2, or you may be preparing for any other examinations like Sub Inspector of Police. So on behalf of onlineias.com, that is kalyanias.com, we are offering various courses. So please open our site kalyanias.com, and whatever the course that you are looking for, please watch the demos, and if you are happy with the demos and the procedures, then you may please join us and you can join the winning team. So thank you so much. I'll stop at this stage and I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you. Take very good care.